Hello, this is Cheyenne with the Business Master Suite. In this video, I am going to show you how to organize your desktop on your computer. So what you're looking at right here is a blank desktop. As you can see, I have tons of icons down here in the taskbar. So this bottom part in white is your taskbar. So the very first part of organizing your desktop is making sure you have your file explorer, or you have some people call it the library, in your computer. That is this folder icon right here, your file explorer. This holds all of your files on your desktop, including external hard drives. External hard drives are highly recommended. The reason why is because if your computer ever crashes, or you overload it, or you just can't get into it, you can take that external hard drive, have it unplugged from your computer, plug it into any other computer, and take those files with you. Take your stuff with you wherever you go. I will include a link to an external hard drive that I highly recommend. It is password secure, so if anyone decides to be not so nice and take your things, then they won't be able to access your external hard drive. It's safe, secure, and it's not connected unless, of course, it's plugged in to your computer. So I will show you what mine looks like. Now, I will warn you, I have a lot of stuff on my computer, which is why I have an external hard drive, and I have a lot of stuff on that. I even have multiple hard drives for different things. So you will see a lot of things. Don't let them distract you. Try to stay focused on what I am showing you as far as the files and your external hard drive and organizing things, okay? So we're going to click on the File Explorer. If you do not see the File Explorer, you should be able to search File Explorer. Now this is on a Microsoft computer, okay? I'm in the Microsoft system. You can tell that by looking at this icon right here. Technically, it's called your Start menu. Start menu. If you see 4 windows, that means it's a Windows computer. I'm going to click on Windows. It automatically pops up a search. I'm going to go to File. File Explorer should be the first thing that pops up. And then you can click Open. Once the File Explorer is open, you can right-click on this icon, and it'll say Pin to Taskbar. Mine is already pinned, so mine says Unpin from Taskbar, but yours should say Pin to Taskbar. And then it'll automatically be down here. You will need that to access all of your files in your computer. Give me 1 second so I can minimize mine so you're not seeing so much stuff. Okay, when you open up your File Explorer, it will look similar to this. Your quick access, these are things that you've maybe recently downloaded, shared, all kinds of stuff. The ones that you most recently opened will show under quick access. And then it has your documents, music, things that you need to access quickly. This is the one that shows your recent, what's been opened, and then your favorites. So if you select each of these, and then you're shared. And these are your recent. Okay? That's under your home in your File Explorer. Your downloads, if you download anything, you can't seem to find it, all you have to do, open up your File Explorer, go to your downloads. The very first thing that you see is the very first thing the very last thing that you downloaded, okay? And it even has it broken down based on when those files were downloaded. So today, yesterday, last week, and what I did to minimize those is just click on this little icon here. Of course, your documents are everything related to documents. If it is a document, and it's on your computer, it'll be in here. Pictures, music, videos, and your Google Drive. Same thing, okay? Your Google Drive is not so much an external hard drive, it is a Google Drive associated with your Google account. So it's more of an application drive, like an app drive. It's in the cloud, okay? Same for Microsoft. Microsoft has, the cloud as well. So that's what you see up here. And then their drive is called the OneDrive. Then you have, let's see, Dropbox. If you use Dropbox, that's a sharing application for sharing files similar to Google Drive. And then you've got your iCloud Drive here. If you have your iPhone connected to your computer, and then this is what's accumulated on your PC or laptop or desktop, and then your external hard drive. Now, this external drive, I can actually rename it, which I'm going to do now. This is going to be the external drive. This is going to, I have a black one and a white one. So this is my black external hard, I'll just call it black external drive. Okay. Let's see. Didn't exactly save it, but I know that it's, my external drive. But I was supposed to rename it, but I think I have to go into the external hard drive itself online and rename it, because this one's the one that has the security stuff in it. But as you can see, I have folders upon folders inside of here. And then I have folders inside of there, and then more folders, and inside of the folders, I have all the documents. So if you notice, it's very organized, very neat, clean. There's so much in here, I can't even begin to tell you how much is in there, okay? Now, in order to add a folder, so for example, if I wanted to add a folder to the drive, a new folder, I would just right-click, New Folder, okay? The same applies to like your desktop and things like that. You can always add new folders, okay? I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.